you driving with those lights on? I don't get it. Like, this shit's distracting. Like, you have these things on, and it's not even like an emergency vehicle or a construction vehicle. It's just a business vehicle. I'll tell you right now. Let me see if I can get a close up on what the business is. It's just a business vehicle. And they got these strobe lights that are very distracting. Contracting. Is it contracting? And they're not even keeping straight. Look at this. It's a contracting vehicle. And they just driving with these strobes on. That's like very distracting.